Okay, there's a question that's given to us to solve. So I want you to look into this very clearly. Suppose we have a question like this that says that 5 raised to power 2x minus 4 is equals to 25 raised to power minus x minus 8. Okay, and how are we going to do to solve this question? So to solve this question, this is what we are going to do. We are going to say that 5 raised to power 2x minus 4 is equals to 5 raised to power 2 open bracket minus x minus 8 close the bracket. Because we need to make sure that this bases become the same. So therefore, we are going to say this one divide this. So it's going to be 2x minus 4 equals to 2 open bracket minus x minus 8 close the bracket. And we're going to have 2x minus 4 equals to 2 times x minus x will give us minus 2x. 2 times minus 8 will give us minus 16. So collect the like terms. Okay, so we're going to have 2x, then this 2x come over here is going to be plus 2x equals to minus 16 minus 4 will cross over, it will be what? Plus 4. So therefore, we are going to have 2x plus 2x will give us 4x equals to minus 16 plus 4 will give us minus 12. Okay, then divide both sides by 4. 4 divided x will be equals to minus 3. Simple. This is our answer at the end of the day. So this is what you are going to do. Like I always do, whenever I solve a question, I will leave something for you to do. So suppose we have 4 raised to power 3x equals to 1 all over 64. So you do this and tell me your answer at the comment section. Okay? Thank you.